Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading again. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a Silverson 275 inline shear mill. It's the hygienic design, their sanitary version. We're running now on 440 volts. It does have variable speed. We're wet testing to make sure the seal integrity is good, which it most certainly is. A little bit of water on the floor. We had to prime the unit. They generally do 20 to 25 GPM. See our flow rate coming back to our test tank here. Nice, good, strong flow. You want to make sure you have a flooded feed to these to get them started, then they'll pump. As I mentioned, it does have a valve door, variable speed control. And we're just going to responds very quickly. Slowed it down to about 38 hertz. That's just under half capacity. You can pump feed these, and sometimes that's necessary with very heavy materials. Thanks for joining us for this demonstration today. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.